Hey, welcome to the Girl Director TV YouTube channel. My secret mission is to arm you with the superpower of being a video director. My life partner and I have a global business where we teach business owners how to really create jaw-dropping content to change the world. I tell you, when you can become that undercover girl director, everything will change. You will see the world differently. You will start to see stories that you can share. You will start to also know what's right and wrong about your video production. Whether you do it yourself or you outsource the video making process, having this skill is really necessary as you move into the future. So I welcome you to this channel. You will hear from myself and my partner Michael, and we are very passionate about helping you to get out there and be a girl director. We want girl directors all over the world that are armed with the superpower of creating content that changes their business, changes the world. I want you to make yourself comfortable. Have a look at our how-to content. There is a mountain of really good, valuable information here on how to get an interview with anybody, Final Cut Pro, effects and transitions, learn what microphones to use. You'll see all of that in the how-to content. We've also got camera confidence challenges there, interviews with people. There's a wealth of information on this channel, and we're going to only just keep growing. We'll also be releasing very soon in March 2020 our $1 Million Women series, which will teach you how to become a millionaire with 10 women. Will share their path to success and hopefully inspire you in your journey. That's why we're here. So welcome, take a seat, relax. There's a lot of content to look at, so enjoy. Hit that little button to subscribe and I'll see you inside.